Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pharma Veda. Today I have bring a very interesting topic, that is data integrity. Before watching my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. First of all, what is data integrity? The extent to which all documents are complete, consistent and accurate throughout the data lifecycle. Data integrity arrangement must ensure that accuracy, completeness, content and meaning of data is retained throughout the data lifecycle. MHRA and US FDA guideline used acronym ALCOA Plus to define data integrity. There are some definitions which are required to understand the meaning of terms that will be used in this presentation. First is data. Information derived or obtained from raw data, example reported analytical result. That is, data must be attributable to the person generating the data, legible and permanent, contemporaneous, original record and accurate. Next is raw data. Original record and documentation retained in the format in which they are originally generated, that is paper or electronic, or as a true copy. Metadata. Metadata is the contextual information required to understand the data. It is data about data. For example, consider the index of any book. It serves as the metadata that leads us to the detailed data inside the logbook. The number 23 is meaningless without metadata, such as an indication of unit mg. Here mg is the metadata. Data governance, the sum total of arrangement to ensure the data, irrespective of the format in which it is generated, is recorded, processed, retained and used to ensure a complete, consistent and accurate record throughout the data lifecycle. Data lifecycle. All phases in the life of data, from initial generation and recording through processing, use, data retention, archive, retrieval and destruction. Original record. Data as the file or format in which it was originally generated, preserving the integrity of the record. Example, original paper record of manual observation or electronic raw data file from a computerized system. True copy, an exact verified copy of an original record. Audit trail. GMP audit trail are metadata that are a record of GMP critical information. For example, the change or deletion of GMP relevant data, which permit the reconstruction of GMP activities. As I told you earlier, acronym ALCOA Plus is used to define data integrity and provide a set of principles to be applied to all CGMP records, where A means attributable, who performed the action and why. If a record is changed, who did it and why. Activity should be signed with date and the time of occurrence should be recorded. L means legible. Legible data means the data can easily be read. The data should be clear and easy to understand. C means contemporaneous, means data should be recorded at the time of execution of activity. O, original, in order to preserve the meaning and integrity of data. Original record should be preserved. In case of duplicate, authenticity of the copy should be confirmed. A means accurate, means data should be error free. There are 4 plus in ALCOA Plus. First plus is complete, when data is complete in nature. Second plus is consistent. Data should be chronologically arranged, generate consistently with date and timestamp. Third plus is enduring. The material used to record data should be in a manner which will last a long time without losing the readability. And the last plus is available. Data should be accessible whenever needed over the life of the data. That means data should be available at the time of review, inspection and audits. Now I will tell you the meaning of ALCOA Plus in reference to paper record and in reference to electronic record. ALCOA Plus in term of paper record. Attributable, who performed the action and when. If a record is changed, who did it and why. Activity should be signed with date and time of occurrence should be recorded. Record should be clear and readable. Contemporaneous, data should be recorded at the time of work is performed. Example, in process line clearance. Original, information should be originally recorded. Accurate, no error or editing performed without documentation amendment. Complete, all data should be complete. Consistent. Consistent generation of document with unique identifier and should be checked, approved, signed and dated. Enduring. Data should last over a period of time. Available. Data need to be available and accessible for review, audit or inspection over the lifetime of record. Now meaning of Alcoa Plus in reference to electronic record. Attributable. Individual login ID and password should be set up and assigned for all staff needing to access and utilize the specific electronic system. Legible. Data must be recorded permanently in a durable medium and readable format. Contemporaneous. Online documentation in software and computer system. Date and time stamp. Original. Record should be original. No temporary file should be recorded. Accurate. All entry recorded should be accurate. All errors should be handled through pharmaceutical management system. Complete. All the entry should be filled and data should be complete. The system shall prompt for error message or missing data. Consistent. Consistent generation of record and application of date and timestamp in the expected sequence. Enduring. Data should be long lasting and should not be altered, deleted during retention throughout the unauthorized access. Available. Maintain suitable software and hardware to access electronically stored data, backup or copy during the retention period. Now I will explain you acronym Alcoa Plus in detail. Attributable. Does the documentation clearly demonstrated the link to its source, who it's about, who observed and recorded the information, when the data was observed and recorded. For example, during a validation exercise, a test result should be initialed and dated by the person executing the test. One more example of attributable. During operation of an equipment, record of operation should be initialed and dated by the person executing the test. A correction on a record should be initialed and dated to show who and when made the adjustment. In case of the electronic record, authorized person shall log in their ID and will record the activity, the detail of the record logged in the audit trail. Legible. Can the information be easily understood? Is it recorded permanently on durable medium? Have original entry been preserved? For example, GDP will always promote the use of indelible ink when completing the records. When making correction to a record, ensure single line is used to strike out the old record. This ensures the record is still legible. Here you can see data is legible in durable format. I tried to open the data in another media but it is not readable. Contemporaneous. Was the information recorded with the timelines? For example, if executing a validation protocol, test should be performed and the result recorded as they happen on the approved protocol. Data that is logged or testing that is performed electronically should have a date timestamp attached to the record. Another example of contemporaneous. If executing a BMR, activity should be performed as per BMR and the results should be recorded as they happen. It means data should be recorded at the time of execution of activity. Original. Activity should be recorded in the original file. No temporary file to be created to record the activity. Accurate. Does the recorded information describe the conduct of the study without error? Did the conduct of the study conform with the protocol? Who made corrections and when corrections were made? For example, use a witness check for critical record collection to confirm accuracy of data. Build accuracy check into the design of electronic system. Here you can see an example of accurate. All the entries are checked and approved. How to ensure trustworthiness? Security. Limit access, prevent data modification. Integrity. Accurate, complete and legible data. Traceability. Who did what, when. Example is audit trail. Previous entry must not be obscured. 2020 FDA data integrity observation found during inspection. I would like to tell you FDA finding on data integrity in 2020. In 2020, numerous warning letters have been issued from FDA citing data integrity violation. Common findings violate principle of ALCOA Plus, 21 CFR Part 11 and FDA data integrity guidance document. Some of these findings are deletion, manipulation of data, aborted sample analysis without justification, invalidated OS result without justification, destruction or loss of data, failure to document work contemporaneously, and uncontrolled documentation. Many observations are obvious violations, while some are discrete and could go undetected. Following are examples of data integrity observation issued from the FDA in 2020. In March of this year, a manufacturing site was found to be intentionally shredding and destroying records. This same company produced OS results that are not properly investigated and replaced the OS with a resample repeatedly, resulting in 3 failed results and insufficient laboratory investigation. This occurred before accepting the 4th passing result. During the HPLC and GC analysis, any sample is run multiple times to get passing result. Some analysts delete the data files of these multiple runs. This issue is found in many Indian pharmaceutical companies. FDA stated a recent finding from another company for aborted chromatography sample set runs. Although aborting a run is not unnecessarily forbidden in a rare instances, where a run must be aborted, there should be a clear procedure. Aborted run should be investigated thoroughly. The same warning letter stated, deleted data are finding. Data should never be deleted. A warning letter issued to another company, FDA, during inspection found that company was printing uncontrolled copy of batch records. These copies are pre-printed and kept in an unsecured area. They are also found to be using scrap piece of paper to record data of an analytical assay. Industry issue in data integrity. In paper-based system, backdating, postdating, missing signature, fabricating data or faking data, copying existing data as a new data, discarding data or omitting new data, releasing failing product. In electronic system, lack of access control, deletion of instrument data, mismatch of soft data and hard data, no audit trail or modified audit trail, inadequate backup procedure. All these issues occur due to culture issue, lack of training, lack of quality and management oversight. Here are some examples of breaches of data integrity. Data alteration, signing of or owning records for activity not performed by self, intentionally misplacing or replacing the document, extrapolating value to achieve the desired results, manipulating date and time in computer system, manipulating or misrepresenting any parameter such as process or analytical parameter, etc., recording of activity not performed, copying existing data as a new data, discarding deletion of data unless authorized, not saving electronic or hard copy data. Investigation of breaches of data integrity. Data integrity issues should be handled through quality management system by raising an incident. A summary of all laboratory, manufacturing operation and system shall be covered by the assessment. Interview of current and former employee to identify the nature, scope and root cause of data inaccuracies. An assessment of the extent of data integrity deficiency at the facility. A risk assessment of the potential effect of the observed failure on the quality of the drug product involved. Corrective and preventive action taken to address the data integrity vulnerability and time frame for implementation. Consequences of breaches of data integrity. If the investigation into a suspected violation determines that violation did occur and employee involved in such activity is identified, appropriate action can be taken against the defaulting employee. The disciplinary action may include additional training or retraining, warning, withhold of promotion or increment, demotion, temporary suspension without pay, and termination of an employment. Real data integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Thank you so much.